Here I have HUAWEI Y7 and let me show you how to accomplish entering the Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following cable, the micro USB connected to your PC. Afterwards, let's start holding the volume down right here. So keep holding volume down, and while holding this key, connect your device by using micro USB cable. Now you can release volume down. As you can see, the Fastboot and Rescue Mode just pops up. So here you can use this mode. You can connect your phone with your PC and use, for example, the high suite. You can also read the FRP status right here. And if you would like to quit the Fastboot and Rescue Mode, let's just press power key. Let me show you. Keep holding power key and release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting, so you may simply disconnect your device from your cable, and let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your phone. And that's it. Now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.